So you care deeply, you feel the connection. But something's missing, and you can't explain why. 1 minute he's warm, the next, distant. You're not crazy. You're not needy. You just want to know, is he emotionally available? This channel is your space for truth. We break down emotional availability, dating red flags, how to stop second-guessing yourself, and how to stop falling for men who aren't ready. Because your heart deserves clarity and not chaos. Every single day, we drop a video that feel like late-night talks with your best friend, the kind that help you see the signs sooner and choose yourself first. Subscribe to this channel now and take your power back in love. Also put on the notification bell so as you don't miss out on any of our value-packed videos. Remember, we're not here to chase, we're here to choose. Welcome to the channel that gets real about love.